Elba out, and I'm going to share a story. Sleeping Beauty. Once upon a time, a queen gave birth to a lovely baby. There was a big celebration throughout the kingdom. 3 fairies were invited to the celebration. Each of the fairies gave the baby a special gift. 3 fairies were invited to the celebration. Each of the fairies gave the baby a special gift. A wicked fairy suddenly appeared before them. She was very angry. She had not been invited to the celebration. The wicked witch said, of course, to the baby she would prick her finger in spinning wheel and die before her 16th birthday. What are we going to do? The queen asked the 3 fairies. Please help us, pleaded the king to the fairies. She will not die but sleep for 100 years. A kiss will wake her up, a fairy said. Burn all the spinning wheels in the kingdom, the king ordered. He was really afraid of the curse. Before her 16th birthday, the wicked witch appeared before the princess in her room. I show you something, the wicked fairy said to her. She showed the princess a spinning wheel. The princess pricked her finger and fell to the floor. The 3 good fairies came to the rescue. They put everyone in the kingdom into a deep sleep. The news of a beautiful sleeping princess reached a handsome prince. He fought his way to the castle to see the princess. When the prince kissed the princess, she woke up, and so did everyone in the kingdom. A royal wedding followed. Sleeping Beauty.